Did you see that picture? The costume loved that amigurumi. When I give that amigurumi to the costume, I try to make some video for show you because I was so excited, but nothing is better than that picture. It's the best. Hello everyone and welcome once again to this your channel. In case you don't know me, I'm Lynette, the person behind this wonderful project that I call GretaWings. And today with this video, I want to show you something about that amigurumi. It's a work. Someone asked me if I have some work ready and I say no, I'm sorry. And they say, well, maybe the next time. No. I looked on Google and I found a beautiful tutorial. And I want to recommend you that tutorial. Yeah. The channel, the name is Canal Crochet. The channel is in Spanish, but I have some good news for you. She has a website and there she shared the pattern in Spanish, the bride pattern in Spanish and in English. I will share with you all the links in the description of this video because I'm really recommend you that amigurumi. It's very easy and fast to make. If you put the website in some side and you can see the right pattern, and in the another side, on the other side you put the tutorial and you can see will be very easy. I'm pretty sure. And the costume asked for that color is a blue gray. I don't have exactly that color, but I use a turquoise color charm, and they really love that work and also the kuromi. Yeah, was a beautiful experience, and for that reason, I will share with you that, and I want to share that tutorial. Again, it's in Spanish, okay? But you can do it, follow the right pattern on the website. In that moment, I don't have tutorial exactly on this moment. It's 2024. I don't have a pattern to make a work. In the future, I'm pretty sure I will make some work, but with another design, similar than the animals that we already have on this channel. But someone asked me and I say, I can do it that follow another channel, of course. And also give the credit to that channel. It's a beautiful woman that made a lot of video to share with you. It's in Spanish, but it's easy to follow the tutorial if you found the same pattern, right pattern on the website. This is a very small video. It's a short video. Yeah, it's not tutorial, nothing like that, but I hope you like it. I hope you want to do that amigurumi like me because the people love the work. And if it's like that, please don't forget to leave me your like and your comments. I really appreciate it and that support this wonderful project. Also, if you want to see that video to the end, you will know what is the next project, the next amigurumi. I'm working in that. Yeah, but please leave me a flower on the comment and will be the first comment that I will respond. The next amigurumi will be King Kong from Mario Bros. Yes. Now I'm working on my second Bowser. It's the bestseller on Etsy. I will share with you all the links about this video, all the links in the description of this video. The link for our Etsy shop, also the link to our PDF for Bowser, but the next tutorial will be King Kong. Okay? Well, maybe I will share with you some video making the union with all of these to make Bowser. Okay? It's some upgrade. Okay? But The next amigurumi, the next new amigurumi will be King Kong. See you in the next video and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. What are you waiting? Subscribe if you like it and don't forget to activate the bell and YouTube give you a notification every time that I upload a new video. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.